Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain all these things. The first one is creating user and giving the sudo permissions to that user and deleting the user. So let me get into my box. So first I'll create a user. So for creating user we need to give this command add user and username. So my username is Ram. So here this user Ram already exists. So let me see what are the users are existing. So for that just give cat etc password. See here Ram is already existed. So I have another user mymt15. So let me create this. So give other name. So I'll give Surya. See it is asking about new password, so enter any password here. So I'm giving my password as Ram and retype the password. So if you want to give a full name, just give any name or make it as default. So I have created a user called Surya. So let me see whether my user is created or not. So etc password. See here my user is created. Okay, now I want to give sudo permissions. Okay, sudo permissions to the user. For suppose if we are in root. Okay, I want to shift to the my user, that is Surya. So for that just give this command. Okay, now I'm in Surya. Okay, so for suppose if we want to create any user in this particular from this particular user, it won't create any user. Okay, because this Surya user didn't have any sudo permissions. So we need to give sudo permissions to this user. How to give sudo permissions to this user? First of all, let me check whether it can create the user or not. So add user. Let me give all. So add user not completed command. Okay, let me give a sudo in front of this command add user 1. See it is asking the password Surya. My password is Ram. See it is showing that Surya is not in the sudo files because I haven't given any sudo permissions to this user Surya. That's why it is asking, it is telling that the Surya user is not in the sudo files. So we need to give a sudo permissions to the Surya, and after that we will create an user. So for that just exit from this Surya user. Now type sudo. Okay, here you can see you can give sudo permissions here. Okay, user privilege specifications. Okay, here we can give sudo permissions. Okay, type Surya here all and save it. Now get into Surya. Okay, now you can create any user. Okay, add user Ram 1. It is asking my password Ram. Command not found. Sorry, add user. Okay. Now it is asking the password for the user Ram 1. Again I will give Ram as my password. Okay, make it as default. Okay, see I have created a new user from this user. Okay, Surya user. So whenever you give sudo permissions to the particular user, then only it can create any root privileges things. It can create any root privileges things, okay, like it can create users, it can delete the users, it can do the administrative things, okay. So let me see password. Here you can see ram1. I have created this ram1 from my user Surya, okay. I haven't created this ram1 from root user, okay, because I have given sudo permissions to this user Surya. That's why I can successfully create a user, okay. So now I want to delete this user. How can I delete? So for that, just use a command sudo user del -r and my username, okay. Now let me check whether my user has been deleted or not, okay. Here you can see ram1 folder is deleted, okay. So like this we can delete users, okay. That's it guys. If you like my video, please do subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please do comments in the comment section, so I'll give reply to the every question, every comment, okay. Thank you so much guys.